Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Christmas luncheon at my work, so I want to show you. I'll give you a better close-up right now. Alright guys, a close-up of my Christmas luncheon at work. I think we have some buttery garlic bread, 2 beef tacos, ham, potato, ravioli. This is some lumpia, some salad, orange chicken, chow mein. So everything looks amazing. I got a Dr. Pepper to drink. Hope you guys are doing really well and enjoying this Christmas luncheon. Got a bunch of desserts as well. How they package the silverware. It's really nice. So I'm going to start with beef tacos. So I'm going to be uploading this on Christmas Day. I think that'd be the best, even though this was filmed a few weeks before Christmas. I want to upload this on Christmas Day for you guys. Let's try the taco. Good. Really good. Some garlic bread. That's really good. Well, there is some a little ravioli here. I forgot to show you guys. Not much. But that's good. It's really good. Wow. There is some ravioli right here. That's good. Yeah. A lot of different foods. We have Mexican, Filipino, because of lumpia. I gotta get more Filipino food like pork. They had a lot of pork. I'm not really big on pork, but I got some I got some chow mein and orange chicken. Orange chicken I've tried is excellent. It's real good. Alright, let's try this lumpia. Came with some kind of sweet and sour sauce. It's good. Really good. Oh. Yeah. Well, we got some ham. So in this video, guys, I might do a lot of cuts because a lot of intercom noise on the speaker, so I want to make it a good video. Not you guys hear a lot of this distracting, intercom noise. I don't really film my work a lot because of that. The intercom is just so distracting. And right now I have Christmas music going on. I don't know if you guys can hear the Christmas music, but I am good. salad. That's good too. I love salad with like red onions. I probably won't eat all this. I just got more than enough. More than I need, actually. But I like this orange chicken a lot. Oh, good. Mm. Oh. So I'm thinking about, but I'm not sure that I might upload some older videos on my Eat with Karen channel to this channel. Just so I can get, you know, some money on those videos, because I'm on, because some of my highest videos are 20 to 40,000 views, and I'm not getting paid. And like, for example, that macaroni and cheese video I did was one of my highest views, second or third, maybe second, and I'm still getting comments about it. And the pizza video where I eat at pizza at Target, no talking, that has a lot of views as well. Okay, I think the pizza video with no talking at Target, that might be the second highest, I think. I'm not sure. But my highest is the Jollibee. I did this Jollibee at a restaurant in Oakland, and that was my highest video. I think that was like 40,000 views. So if I do that, guys, I'll put in a description old video from Eat with Karen channel, so you guys know it's an old video. I think this meat is actually prime rib. They gave me some barbecue sauce with it too. Oh, it's so good. So today is Christmas. Today is time for Christmas. Make sure to leave a comment down below what you're doing. Today I'll be spending the day with my sisters, which I normally do. We just open presents. We kind of start our day with a nice breakfast. Probably might be biscuits and gravy. Might be like gluten-free biscuits. Then we'll open presents. We don't really eat much for snack, for the lunch. And for dinner, I don't know what we have for dinner. Might be prime rib, might be ham. Of course, we all like chip in and help out, and you know, bring something, make something. I'll probably make something. Probably a side. My sister will probably help me make a side. A lot of beef in this beef taco right here. So much beef. Crunchy too. I don't know if I told you guys I got some vegetables too. The salad's really good. Mm. Believe it or not, guys, I'm really full. I was really hungry, like really hungry. Now I'm really full, but there's a lot. I overpacked this to the rim, like overly filled. A few more bites and I'll just eat some dessert for you guys. One's chicken, then I'll end with this. This is my favorite. A few more bites of this amazing garlic bread. So good. Oh my god. Oh god. So good. Alright, for the desserts, I got 2 of these cookies. I think they're pecan. This might be a cranberry raisin. I'm not really sure. I'll have to check it out. This is definitely a brownie. And this is, I don't know what you call this, but that's what that is. Okay, let's try this one first. It's good. There's like pecans in here. It's really good. And then this is like a raisin cranberry. I think it has a brown sugar in it. Tastes like brown sugar. Good too. Alright, let's taste this brownie right here. It's very moist. Very rich. It's a really rich brownie. Yeah. Good though. And we have this. These are popular. I don't know what they're called, but they got chocolate. They had like white. The frosting's really good. That's good. That's good. Our frosting's really good. So out of all these desserts, I think I like this one the best. This is probably my second with the pecans cookie. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great Christmas. Hope you just have fun on Christmas Day. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great Christmas. Peace.